Hey guys, summers are here, so we'll be showing you the most comforting thing for this season, that is milkshakes. And today I'll be showing you not one but two thick and creamy milkshakes ever with the flavors of chocolate and strawberry in it. These masterpieces are seriously a special treat on a hot sunny day. So let's get on to the recipe. So first we'll prepare the chocolate milkshake. So for this I'm going to take a glass. You can use any big or small glass, or even if you want you can use the mason jars for this. I am going to make swirls of chocolate sauce or the syrup on the walls of the glass, just like the way I am doing. You can do however comfortable to you. So this is done. I am going to refrigerate this till we prepare our milkshake. Next up, in a blender, I am going to take 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of drinking chocolate, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a cup of boiled and chilled milk. We are going to churn this really well for some time until the thick base is ready. So do it for a while. So now you can see this thick chocolatey base is ready. Now into this we'll pour in the remaining milk, that is another half to 1 cup of milk, some ice cubes, and next I'm using 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. And again churn everything really well. Here I've used some vanilla ice cream, but if you want to make it more chocolatey, you can also use chocolate ice cream over here. So blend these things for a while. So this is ready. You can see this thick and creamy chocolatey milkshake is ready. Remove the glass out of the fridge and pour this prepared milkshake into the jar, filling it up to 3/4 portion, as we need some space for whipped cream. And after filling that, I'm going to make swirls of this whipped cream on top. If you don't want to use whipped cream, you can also use vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream instead. So I'm going to make nice designs or swirls of this whipped cream. It's looking so beautiful. And then I'm going to garnish it with some more chocolate sauce all over. Little sprinkle of cocoa powder here and there. And a small biscuit roll on the side. And here you go. Your homemade creamy chocolatey chocolate milkshake is ready to indulge into. Now we'll start preparing the strawberry milkshake, which is also known as strawberry king shake, for which here I've got some strawberries, and here I've cut few strawberries into chunks for the milkshake, and few I've cut into small pieces like this for garnishing. In a blender, we are going to take the big chunks of the strawberries. Pour in half a cup of milk, or around 100 ml of milk. Next I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar you can adjust as per your taste or as per the sweetness of your strawberries. And then I'm going to blend these 3 things really well. So this is how it looks. This thick strawberry base is ready and there are no chunks of strawberries remaining. Next I'm going to pour in the remaining milk, that is half a cup of milk, some ice cubes, and again 1 to 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and churn everything really well. So this thick creamy base strawberry milkshake is also ready. Here I've taken this glass and I'm going to decorate the walls of the glass with the strawberry crush or the strawberry syrup, whichever you have available. So for this I've simply crushed few strawberries in a small blender. Decorate it on all the walls. Next I'm going to place a few strawberry pieces at the base, and then I'm going to pour the prepared milkshake into the glass, filling it up to the 3/4 portion, as we need some space for whipped cream or ice cream. Now I'm going to garnish it with some swirls of whipped cream. It's looking so beautiful here. If you don't want to use whipped cream, you can also use some vanilla ice cream or strawberry ice cream. And after the whipped cream, I'm going to pour little strawberry syrup, a few pieces of strawberries all over, and again a small strawberry biscuit roll on the side. It's looking so amazing. So our very own homemade strawberry king shake or strawberry thick milkshake is ready to enjoy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching these 2 yummy milkshakes at home, and if yes, do like, share and subscribe to Kanak's Kitchen for more such easy recipes. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.